Hello everyone, in this video I show how I make this yummy fried rice, very delicious. So these are the ingredients I use: vegetables, meat, pre-cooked rice and vegetable oil. So let's go on to slice the vegetables and the meat.
Yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Buradati kitchen. Oh yeah. Buradati kitchen. Oh yeah. Buradati kitchen. Oh yeah. Buradati kitchen. Buradati kitchen. Oh yeah. Buradati kitchen. Buradati kitchen. Buradati kitchen. Say you want chop with the hunger. Need a multi burger. Everything needed, everything needed. We know they tell you. Say na Buradati kitchen, we shall run with the random. Buradati kitchen, we shall run with the random. Buradati kitchen with Sharon Entertainment.
So this is the final stage of the slicing. Everything is all set, as you can see. Perfectly sliced. Now it's time to cook. So if you're new to this channel, please kindly subscribe. Thank you for stopping by. So the first thing we're cooking is the meat, of course. We're going to stir fry the chicken so that it can be fully cooked and then add to the rice later. So just put it in a pan and season it with some seasoning cube and salt. After that, cook until it's perfectly cooked. So once this chicken is cooked, we're going to keep it aside and then saute the onions, then start frying the vegetables. So the chicken is cooked now. This is me sauteing the onions in a very little amount of oil. You don't need so much oil for this recipe. Now the onions is ready. Now the next thing I'm going to add is the smoked sausage so that it can cook very well. Once the smoked sausage is ready, I'll add the carrots and other vegetables step by step. The carrots will go in first, next the green beans. After the green beans, the next thing I'm going to add are the bell peppers, red bell pepper, green bell pepper. You can just play with vegetables depending on your choice. You don't need to add so much. After that, I'm going to fry the egg inside the vegetable. You see, I just created a little space inside the pot and then scramble it. This will make your work so easier instead of using so much pots to cook just one recipe, one food. Just take a little space by the middle of the pot and break in your egg and cook. Once it's ready, you mix everything together. So you see, the egg now is perfectly scrambled. Now I'm just going to mix it into the remaining recipes, the remaining ingredients. After that, I'm just going to add in the pre-cooked chicken. So once the chicken has been added, you don't need so much seasoning for this food. Just check for salt and then add in your rice. Once I add in the rice, I'm just going to combine everything together on it until it's properly mixed. So here we have it, perfectly cooked fried rice. Thank you for watching.
Click on the subscribe button for more videos.